Dave's a local plumber and he's got a 4.9 star rating across 60 reviews. His competitor has a 4.7 rating across 40 reviews, yet the competitor ranks higher, gets more calls and closes more jobs. The star rating means nothing. There's something most local businesses and most agencies completely miss, and it's what's driving that gap. Hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and over the last decade, we've optimized and ranked over 500 websites and Google business profiles, taking listings that look like this and turning them into this. Now, after auditing hundreds of accounts, we see the same two mistakes come up time and time again, and fixing them has a dramatic impact on where you rank and how many calls you get through your listing. And let me tell you straight up, it's not about your trade and it's not about your town holding your listing back. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get into the top 3 of the map pack. It only takes a few minutes and you don't need any technical skills. Okay, so the first step which will get your business in the map pack is review velocity, which in simple terms is how many reviews you're getting every month. So go to Google and search for your service and location. For example, Loft Conversion London. Click on one of the top ranking companies, go to the reviews and sort by newest. Now what you want to look at is how often they're getting reviews. Now as you can see, this company got reviews 2 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago and a month ago. So if you count that up, it's around 4 reviews per month. Now that's your benchmark. So if you're a loft conversion company in London, you don't want to be getting less than that. You want to be matching or beating it. Now, if you check other top listings, you'll see the same pattern. Reviews coming in consistently every few weeks. And here's the key thing. Some companies might have more total reviews, but they rank lower. Why? Because Google cares about consistency. They want to see that people are actively using businesses right now, not in the past. So if you want to rank higher in the map pack, focus on getting steady, consistent reviews every single month. All right, the next step is to optimize your Google business profile description using keywords. So start by going to SEMrush and typing in your service and location like Loft Conversion London. Click on keywords and now you'll see all the variations people are searching for. So things like dormer loft conversion, hip to gable, etc. You'll see search volume and intent. So that's whether it's informational or commercial. Now what you want to do here is take those keywords and head over to ChatGPT and then use this prompt. I'm a loft conversion expert in London. Write me a keyword dense description for my Google business profile and use these keywords. Then paste the keywords in. And what it will do is generate a keyword dense description that includes all the relevant terms, such as design, planning, dormer, hip to gable, mansard, and more. Then you'll take that description and add it to your Google business profile. Now your listing is properly optimized with the exact keywords people are searching for, which helps you rank higher and get more local traffic. Now the last step is to do weekly posting on your Google business profile. Now this is something we do for all of our clients and our own business as well. We're consistently posting blog content, updates, and other different types of content every single week. And this is something you definitely want to be doing too. Now when it comes to what you should actually post, there's a really simple way to generate ideas. You can go to Claude and use a prompt like, I run a plumbing business in London. We do underfloor heating, boiler repairs, boiler installations, radiator repair, and gas safety. Can you give me 30 ideas and posts for my Google business profile? Now once you run that, it will start generating a full list of post ideas and even suggested content. It basically builds everything out for you. From there, you can just copy and paste those posts into your Google business profile. Now you've got 2 ways to do this. You can go in manually, click on add update, paste your description, add a call to action like learn more and upload an image. Or if you're using our CRM, you can connect your account, write your posts inside the tool, add your images in CTA, and then schedule everything out in advance. That means you can sit down once, create a month or even 2 to 3 months worth of posts and have them automatically go out. It works really well and keeps your listing active and helps bring in more traffic and leads consistently. And that is the 3 simple actions you need to take to get into that coveted spot in the map pack. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We drop new videos every week showing you how to turn your website and CRM into lead generating machines. And if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below and we'll happily answer them for you. Every comment gets read and replied to. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.